Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes, and in this video I am going to discuss two concepts based on string, and then I will show you one practice problem based on the concepts. Okay, so suppose I am telling you one particular character in a string having index k from the end, that is from the right hand side it is having index k. Then what is the index from the beginning, that is from the left hand side? Don't consider the kth bit or kth character from the end, means don't consider negative indexing like this. Suppose my string is a b c d e. Now if we do indexing from the left to right, it is 0 1 2 3 4. Now suppose right to left, I am telling you like this. Suppose indexing is there 0 1 2 3 4. Then try to find out one relation in between the front side indexing and back side indexing. That is, suppose I am telling first bit from the end is equivalent to third bit from the beginning or from the left hand side. Okay, so like that, try to find out the relationship between these two index. So if you observe, the beautiful relation is the if a particular character is having kth index from the end, where the indexing is followed from the right hand side like this 0 1 2 3 4, then it will be having the index length of the string minus k minus 1 from the beginning. Okay, so how, see here it is happening or not. Like suppose I am telling k equal to 2. Okay, what is the length of the string? 5. Okay, so k equal to 2, which is 0 1 2. So from the end, this index, that is character c. Okay, now see from the beginning, so length is how much? 5 minus k is 2 minus 1, how much? 5 minus 2 minus 1, that is 5 minus 3, that is 2. So see, kth bit from the end is equivalent to second index position from the beginning. See, for C, this particular character index from the beginning and index from the end are matching. Okay, check other case. Suppose k equal to 3. Okay, so if the index is 3 from the end, from the beginning index will be 5 minus 3 minus 1, that is 5 minus 4, that is 1. Check. See, from the end side, this particular b character having index 3, from the beginning if you observe, the at index 1 the character b is occurring. Okay, so the relationship is kth bit or kth character from the end is equal to length of the string minus k minus 1th character from the beginning. Okay, now you may think how I have found out this relation. Nothing in that, just observation. Okay, and hit and trial you can apply in the initial stage. Now if you practice programming more and more, you can get this relationship within a fraction of second. Okay, so this is one concept, and one more concept I want to show you. See, in my initial videos in the number data type in Python, while I was discussing that, there I have told you how to convert between different data, like decimal to binary, binary to decimal, decimal to octal, octal to decimal, and so on. There I have discussed, suppose I am having a decimal number g equal to 10. Suppose now if I apply bin of g, I will be getting 0b1010. So basically the binary representation of 10 is 1010. This 0b we are getting, which is indicating that this is a binary number. So basically, if your interest is only the actual binary number, you should do string slicing in this way. There is g of 2 colon, because 0 and b, this is not required. So from the this is first in 0th index, this is first index, this is second index. So from the second index to the end, so 2 colon. I told you that if you give beginning index and don't specify the ending index, it will by default take up to end of the string. So using g 2 colon, we can get the original binary representation of a string. Okay, using these two concepts, let us try to solve one problem, and the problem appeared in Cisco, okay, interview process. So the problem is check whether kth bit is set or not. So understand the problem statement properly. Given a number n and a bit number k, check if kth bit of n is set or not. Okay, a bit is called set if it is 1. Okay, position of set bit should be indexed starting with 0 from RSB, that is right hand side, in the binary representation of a number. Like here I have discussed same scenario, like the indexing is starting from the right hand side and starting from index 0. That's what it is written. Okay, see, consider n, that is 4. Suppose binary representation, you know 4 binary representation is 100. 0th bit from the right hand side is 0. Index position 1 bit from the right hand side is 0. Index position 2 bit from the right hand side is 1. Okay, like that indexing will go. That is same like this particular thing. Okay, so if we are comfortable from the left hand side notation, we can simply use this operation and we can get the left hand side. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to tell whether kth bit from the right hand side, where index is starting from 0 from the right, we have to determine whether kth bit is set or not. Set means whether 1 or not. The first line of the input contains an integer t denoting number of test cases. Then t test cases follow. Each test case consists of 2 lines. First line of each test case contain an integer n and second line contain the integer k. At that position we have to check whether that is set or not. Corresponding to each test case, print yes without quotes if kth bit is set, else print no. Okay, like here you can see, suppose 3, first input 3 means 3 test case we have to check. One is 4 0, that is fourth, the number is 4, 0th bit we have to check from the right hand side. Next is number is 4, second bit from the right hand side we have to check, and next number is 500, third bit from the right hand side we have to check. Output is no, yes, no. Like for example 4, if you consider 4 binary representation is 100, so 0th bit from the right hand side is 0, so that is not set, output should be no. Like if you consider second one, 4 binary representation 100, second bit from the right hand side is basically 1, so which is set, so output should be yes. Okay, so this is how you should write a code. Try to think about one algorithm which can be used to solve this particular problem, implement that, check whether it is giving correct output or not. I am explaining here. Okay, so see, let me directly go to the code. So what we can do, first I have to take the input from the number of test cases from the user. Okay, t equal to int input. Then I am defining one empty that is variable with 0. This we will use for iteration with that number of test cases while I less than t. Okay, I equal to I plus 1 I am writing. Now we have to take the number as input, so a equal to int input. Okay, then we will be taking at which bit we have to check whether that is set or not, so k equal to int input. These all are integers, so I am taking input like int input. Okay, now we will be converting to w equal to bin of a. Okay, then what we have to check, then as I told you, in our binary representation we don't require this first two, that is 0 p part, we will be using this particular concept. Okay, so w equal to w, we will slice from 2 to end. Okay, then we can check if w, will use indexing concept, length of w minus k minus 1, because k is from the what, right hand side, but we are comparing from the left hand side, so we will use this because these two are equivalent. I have shown you, equal to 1. If this condition is satisfied, simply print yes, else if it is not satisfied, then okay, make proper indentation, print no. Okay, so let me just compile this. Whether any syntax error we have given or not, we can easily determine. So no syntax error, and you can check no, yes, no, and here also no, yes, no for the input. So let me submit this and check whether it is successfully applied on all the hidden test cases or not. Okay, Yes, see, correct answer, execution time 0.02 second. Okay, so this is how you can apply the concept. Multiple concepts we are applying. Here we are applying string slicing concept, here we are applying string indexing concept, here we are applying the data conversion concept, that is integer to binary, here we are applying the looping concept, here we are applying how to take user input, that concept. Okay, so one program you can, if you practice, you can revise multiple concepts. Okay, so this is all for my this video. Same code I am going to post in the description box or in the comment section. If you want, you can check there. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment, and subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest video. Thank you for watching.